Hi everyone, and welcome to another lecture on XHTML and CSS. In this lecture we will learn about links, how to create links, and how to use links. If you ever wondered what links are, if you go to Google homepage, you'll see at the top several links you can click and you'll be redirected to another page. So if we click YouTube here, probably we'll be redirected to YouTube website. Okay, so these are all links, and we use links to travel around the web from one web page to another or one website to another website. We can also use links to download files or open images and some other cool features that we will learn later with the JavaScript chapter. Okay? So let's stick with the simple links functionality, which is taking us from a web page to another web page. We often call links also hyperlinks. So you may see someone talking about hyperlinks and links are basically the same thing. Okay? To create a link or a hyperlink, you have to open your Notepad++, and let's go to the code that we have created on index.html. And in the body section, let's delete all from the previous video and let's create a link, a very simple link. So it could take us, for example, to YouTube website. So to create a link, we have to use an anchor tag. And an anchor tag is used with the A letter, and then we type href equals and two double quotes, and between the double quotes we type the HTTP or the address, the complete address of YouTube, www.youtube.com, and now we type or we close the anchor tag. Okay, guys? Now, we still don't have anything to show. If I save this and run this in Chrome, I still don't have anything or any link to show to the user so he can click it and then go to YouTube. But I can go here in between the tags and type take me to YouTube or whatever you want for the user to see on the web page so he can click. And if you run this now, there it is. Take me to YouTube, and if I click it, or if you click it, you'll go directly to YouTube. How awesome is that? So we are progressing on how to work with web pages, and now we know how links work and how to create links to any web page in the world or any website in the world that we want. Now let's say we have a sentence or a paragraph here saying, hi, my name is, and you can click here to go to YouTube webpage or YouTube website. Now I want this here, from here to here, this to be the link that you click or the user clicks on the website or on our web page to go to YouTube. So what we have to do is basically delete this and this as well. And here we type or put the anchor tag or the opening anchor tag. So href means where do you want the user to go when it clicks the link. So HTTP, and here you type www.youtube.com, and voila, everything is okay now. And let's save this and let's try this. in Chrome, and there it is. Okay, so now we have a little problem. Hi, my name is Victor, and you can click here to go to YouTube website, but click in here doesn't have a space, as you can see. And to give it a space, we can just go in here and give it a space here. Perfect. So let's go again to the browser, refresh, and there it is. So, hi, my name is Victor, and you can click here to go to YouTube, and you see it's underlined. So if you click here, there it is. Okay. Before we proceed with more properties of links, I want to show you how to create underlined sentences or paragraphs or texts or characters. Okay. Let's say I want the name Victor underlined. It's very easy. Just create a U tag or underline tag before the name Victor and then close it after the name. Okay, let's save this and run it in Chrome, and there it is. You see that Victor now is underlined. Now you see that by default all links as well are underlined. And I'm going to show you later how you can manipulate links, and if you don't want to have the links underlined, you can take these out and you can style the links however you want. So this is all for now, and we'll continue with more features in the next video. Okay guys, see you later. Bye.